Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you that how to split TikTok videos. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistake. Okay, we are going to know that how to split TikTok videos. It's super easy. Click on the TikTok app. Now click on the plus mark and select any video from your gallery. Now you want to split this video, click on the next, and now you can see here option of editing. Click on this editing. Now click on edit and you can see here split. Your splitting action on your video will be applied when you can see cannot split video. Here clips need to be longer than 0.1 second. Your clip should be longer than 0.1 second. In that case your video will be split. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.